Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excellency, Kehijasan Mutawakil Alambah SMM is a critical of Sinosan Genggong Islamic Boarding School. The Honorable Dr. Abdul Aziz SBIM Aceh as Director of UNSA. The Honorable Ms. Sahil Lestari MPD as the Dean of Scientific and Education Teaching Faculty, and the Honorable Dr. Zainuddin, MPD as the lecturer of TIVL, and respectable all my friends whom I love. Okay, before I explain about the topic, I will introduce myself first. My name is Siti Shuaibah. You can call me Iba. I'm from English Department 2024. Okay, next is number 1. Differences and skill characteristics. And differences and skill characteristics, there are 2. Listening, speaking, and reading, writing. Listening, speaking, or oral skills. Listening, speaking, there are 3. The first is real-time processing. Learners must understand and reposting immediately. Involves in notation, stress, rhythm, productions, and nonverbal cues. The last is skills are interconnected. Listening provides input, speaking production output. And is reading and writing. Reading and writing is like literacy skills. Assessors learners can create text on revises. Their writing requires understanding of text structure, punctuation, written grammar, cohesion, and organization of idea. And the last is more structured and requires planning. Okay, next, the second is learning objective. Learning objective, listening and speaking. And listening and speaking, understanding spoken language in different contexts, gifts and details. Communicate performance and effectively. Improve fluence, pronunciations and communication strategies. Reading and writing, understand written text through skimming, scanning, and inferencing. Product well organized in writing, paragraph, and essays. Master and the last, master written grammar in textual vocabulary and textual cohesions. Next is teaching approach and theories. Teaching approach and theories, there are 2. Listening, speaking, and reading, writing. Listening, speaking, there are 4. The first is communicative language teaching, or CLT. Communication is the core. The second, task-based language teaching, TBLT. Communicates tasks, role-play, interview. The third, interaction hypothesis, learning through impression and meaning negotiations. And reading and writing, there are 4. The first is gender-based approach teaching text structures is like narrative, descriptive, and report. And the second, process writing approach is like drafting, revising, and editing. The third, CPMA theory, understanding text through pure knowledge. And the last is product approach, Focus on the final writing product. Okay, the next is teaching strategies and activities. Teaching strategies and activities, there are four. The first is listening, the second speaking, the third is reading, and the last is writing. The listening pre while post listening stage. The activities give feeling, note taking, or detailed questions, discussions, recording pronunciation features, and speaking, controlled guide, free speaking practice, full place discussion, debate, interview, storytelling, information gap activities. Reading, pre-reading, post-reading sequence, skimming, scanning, school reading, identifying text structure, vocabulary in context. Writing is planning, drafting, revising, editing, publishing. Controlled writing, pointed writing, lecture emanating, paragraph building, and essay writing. Okay, next is teacher's rule. Teacher's rules, there are two: listening, speaking, and reading and writing. Listening and speaking, there are three. The first is facilitates interaction and provides audience input. Second is gives oral feedback, is like record and prompt. The last is creates meaningful communications situations. And reading and writing. Reading and writing, there are three. The first is guides students in navigation text. Second, providence return feedback on structure, grammar and cohesion. And the last, use model text as examples. And next, media and learning resources. Media and learning resources, there are two. The first is listening and speaking. The second is reading and writing. And the first is listening and speaking. It's like audios, videos, podcasts, dialogue, speech samples, and recording apps for pronunciation practice. And reading and writing, they are articles, stories, reports, academic texts. The scholarships corporate employee organizations word process tools. The next is assessment. Assessment, there are four. The first, listening. Listening is comparison test, multiple choice, graphics, note taking. Number two, speaking. Oral assessments, interviews, presentations, group discussions. Criteria: fluency, pronunciation, acquiry, and interactions. And the third is reading. Comprehension test, skimming, scanning, inferences, vocabulary. And the last is writing. Process and product assessments, paragraph, essay, reports. Publics, organizations, grammar, coherence, vocabulary, mechanics. Next is summary of the key differences. The summary, there are three aspects: listening and speaking, and reading and writing. Aspect: skills type, listening and speaking, oral communications, reading and writing, written literacy. Nature: real time, spontaneous, planned, revisable. Focus: fluency, pronunciations, interactions. Text structure, grammar, cohesions. Teaching models: GLT, TBLT, interaction-based, genre-based process writing, activities, role plays, discussion, listening tasks, skimming, scanning, drafting, and assessments, performance-based, product and process-based. Okay, the last is conclusions. The teaching efforts for listening, speaking focus on oral communications and real-time interactions, whereas the approach for reading and writing emphasize text compressions and structured productions. Although the four skills are in turn connect, each requires distinct strike, media, and assessment method in TEFL. Okay, that's all I can explain. Thank you very much. Forgive me please. And the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.